Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to make money updated. Start by choosing a niche, installing WordPress, and setting clear goals for traffic and income. Next, focus on valuable content, SEO basics, and email list building to capture visitors. Finally, test monetization like ads, affiliate links, and digital products to see what converts best. Stay consistent and track results to grow revenue steadily over time. Keyword research guides what you write, so prioritize topics with real demand and manageable competition. Publish long-form, useful posts regularly and update them to stay relevant. Optimize on-page SEO with clear headings, descriptive meta descriptions, and focused keywords. Build internal links between related posts to keep readers engaged and reduce bounce rate. Combine content with email capture and social sharing to amplify reach and convert visits into loyal followers and revenue. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth helped me think differently about money and long-term planning, which pairs well with building a WordPress income. It's a practical read for improving financial habits while you grow your site. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Test multiple income streams to find the best fit for your audience and niche. Start with affiliate links and helpful posts, then introduce a digital product or online course when trust is established. Use ads and sponsorships as supplemental income once traffic is consistent. Price products based on value and audience willingness to pay, and use promotions to boost early sales. Track conversions and refine offers to maximize earnings over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.